Okay. Can you hear my alarm clock radio? I'm in the kitchen. That's the bedroom.
Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Nora Raum. President
So that's the
Biden made
bedroom.
an unannounced visit to Ukraine's capital today to mark almost a year since Russia's invasion. NPR's Joanna Kikissis reports from Kyiv. Biden met with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky at the presidential
Bedroom.
palace in the center of Kyiv, an area Russian troops were quickly expected to take control of nearly a year ago when they invaded. 1 year later,
So I have the alarm clock radio loud. The dog woke me up before this. But so I put the new calendar and set her on the back door. But anyways, yeah, it's difficult for me to wake up. I don't wake up to that. I'm up now because the dog woke me up by scratching at the bed and crying because she needed to go outside to go pee and poo. But yeah, I don't wake up to that. I do in a way, but then I just goes back off again. It doesn't keep me awake. So the alarm has gone from the nightstand to the end of the bed. And now I think I'm gonna put it um, across the room. So let's see what happens. But it's not waking me up to keep me awake. So I can't wake up to music because no matter even if it's heavy metal or lullabies, music doesn't wake me up. It wakes me up, but then I'm like back out again. Um, Talk stations is what wakes me up or keeps me awake because it's just that like monotone continuing. Um, if I'm woken up in a shock and um, that's not good either because then I'll just knock right back out again and it's like I never woke up. Anyhow, I just played this video so I can hear in the like from the kitchen here how loud it is and it's not waking me up. So let's see what happens. Puppies are looking for something to do. I have some things to do today, but I am going to reschedule. Looking at the time right now, like that's what I do a lot. I reschedule because I just can't function. I'm not, I, you know, I'm just not. I don't know how to explain it. But, anyways, a little therapy. I'll check it out later. Can you hear the radio? That's a new one. Brand new. like not even 2 weeks old, and I'm having difficulties waking up to it. The old one, um, it, gosh, it's 30 years old. So the first thing that went on it was the volume. Like, it wouldn't go up or down, it was manual. Um, it got sensitive to the point, like, if I just tapped it, like, just doop, doop, it would either go up or down. So I tap it a few times, go up, tap it a few times, go down. And that's a wheel thing. Manual, like you wheel it up, you wheel it down, the volume. Um, so this go around trying to use it again because, with um, Victor here and stuff like that, I couldn't wake up like that, because I disturbed the house. So now, since nobody's here, I need to get back into what works for me. So I started the old radio. It gave me the headache it normally does, and then the volume kind of pretty much stopped being sensitive. And then the tuning, which is manual again, the little needle for the tuning thing stopped moving. Like it wouldn't, like, it wouldn't change the station. Like I couldn't move it, and I was afraid like I was just gonna break it, which I think I did. But the tuning doesn't work, the volume doesn't work. So, in the switch for the alarm, that broke. So I would have I'll be able to stick something in the switch hole and on and off. That became a hassle. So, but I never listened to the alarm. It was the radio that I woke up to, because alarms, forget it. I shut off the alarm, put it on snooze, it wakes me up, and then I fall right back to sleep. So I keep asking it, do you hear the alarm? Like I'm getting an answer. But anyways, I know on the video it sounds a little bit more different than it would sound in real life. But anyways, it is what it is, I guess. All right, ta for now. Bye.